Hey, everybody. I'm Dan with the Managed Services team here at Planet Technologies, and I'm here to give you this week's priority update. Many of our larger customers make frequent use of the events feature within Teams for holding large events like town halls and seminars. Previously, each of these events had to be configured manually on an individual basis, configuring things like audience interactivity settings, polls, Q&A, and more. Beginning this month, however, organizers for Teams events will be able to reuse common event configurations in the new Events app in Teams. Organizers can save these common configurations as a template to reuse for future Teams events. This will go a long way towards helping organizations standardize recurring event series and cutting back on the workload of manually configuring each event. This feature will be rolling out to commercial tenants by the end of June and will likely make its way to GCC and GCC High tenants in the near future. That's all for this week's priority update. Be sure to tune in next week for more info. Thanks, and have a great day, everybody.